Here I have TECNO Pop 8, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So to do this, firstly you should go to settings, then you should go to system section, select reset phone, erase all data, then erase all data once again, and then once again, and after that device will be restarted in like a minute or two or something like that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.